Rusty Pancake 101 is back with another instructional video. We're going to show you how to put your tape reel tails out. Tails out just means that your tape is wound backwards onto your reel, where the end of your tape is at the top, which means you'll have to rewind the tape to the beginning. This is done to avoid ghosting, as tape is prone to print through, which means that the winds can slightly bleed into each other, and you would hear a very faint sound from the next winds, especially noticeable at the beginning of your track. Tape winds from the supply reel to the take-up reel. In our case, the supply reel is on the left and the take-up reel is on the right. Some tape machines can record or play in either direction. To rewind your tape tails out, take your fresh reel of tape, flip the supply reel over, and spool it back on. Fast forward it all the way to wind the tape onto the take-up reel. Then flip the supply reel over and spool it back on. Your tape is now stored tails out. That's it. I hope you guys found this video useful. Comment, like, and subscribe, and keep those rusty pancakes spinning.